What's up, guys?
Hey!
How we doing?
Pretty good, yeah.
Who do we have here?
Jess, Kira,
What are we doing?
skydiving.
Why?
Just guys, the hell felt like it. Yeah.
That's all I need.
Yeah.
You guys ready to go do this thing?
Oh yeah.
Heck yeah, high five. You! Yeah. You guys ready? How was it?
It was fantastic.
What was your favorite part?
Just coasting and seeing the view. Spectacular.
Would you do it again?
Absolutely.
High five, Jess. Thank you so much for coming out.
Yeah, thank
Next
you.
time you get to pull.
All right.
So from here-